Hi and welcome to Letsee Garage, Lotus Esprit Turbo SC Letsee. This is my first car repair video and I will show you how you can change the oil and oil filter on this excellent car. In my video there is a surprise in the end. There's something strange in the oil. Enjoy.
The lifting point is the middle of the chassis. Okay, the jack stand.
Mm spanner, hex spanner. Okay.
Bucket of creamy oil.
The oil change is really simple. Take off the drain block and drop it on the bucket. Okay, there it is. Yeah, got it. Found it.
Bit tight place now. Yeah. I got it. Thanks, spanner, oil removal tool. I love you a lot.
Always remember to lubricate the rubber sealant with the new oil. Always remember. Okay. It's well lubricated.
Now you need to clean the surface. As you can see, there is vacuum lines going here, so be careful with them. And when it's clean, like that, then add the new filter. So when you are tightening up the oil filter, you need to apply oil to seal face, clean seating area, it's clean, it's checked, screw until contact, hand tighten half or quarter turn, start engine check for leaks. Okay, hand tighten half or third of the turn after contact. So there's contact. I think it's quite enough right now. Yeah. Done. Okay. Then there you have it. Another bucket of milky oil. Yes, really milky oil. Okay, let's just drop the core. Yeah, like that. I will clean this filler cap because it looks terrible. What is this called? Suppilo. Yeah, like that. Yeah, like so. I like this. Okay, 3 liters. Let's spin the engine. Like right now. Oil pressure check. Now check the oil level with the dipstick. There's still water, but I don't care anymore. I have flushed the system like 3 times. Maybe I need to flush it one more time before I can use my car. Okay, it's leaking coolant. And the coolant is mixing with the oil, with the engine oil, so it becomes a milky
So the next job is engine removal. So a big engine maintenance coming up next winter. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. And remember guys that anything is possible and you can have everything you want. Thanks for watching.